threatening, warning that the case should not continue to be investigated in the top court, sir?
Rhythm, either of this is a very serious matter. In the first place, the question of Prime Minister's security is something of national importance. There can't be any compromise whatsoever. It's not the security of Mr. Narendra Modi or some other individual. It's the question of countries, sovereignty. It's the question of countries' prestige. And we are a sovereign nation, so Prime Minister's security, there cannot be any compromise whatsoever. Apex Court taking the cognizance is the right thing. Apex Court must set up its own investigation team. And lawyers getting this call is another serious thing. It may have, across the nation ramifications. There could be maybe a terrorist angle, maybe some other angle, whatever angle, this needs to be thoroughly probed. It can't be taken very lightly. It needs to be thoroughly probed. There is no doubt about it.
Mr. Nadkarni, you spoke about a very critical aspect which we are talking about when it comes to the PM Security Labs case, the nation's sovereignty. And that is extremely crucial when for the first time ever we've heard of this Swapnil Major General G.D. Bakshi. We've all been speaking about this in the history of Advocates on Records. Such a mass call is made between 9 to 11 a.m. today, sir. And in that call, a very clear threat is given out.
That's completely wrong. As I said, it's completely wrong. Firstly, when someone is before the court, you can't call up a lawyer and, threaten. There are several judgments which say that threatening a lawyer not to proceed with the case is itself a contempt. But contempt is too minor an issue in this case. This is something which has other ramifications. One has to be able to see things behind this, because the Apex Court probe is going to open up many things. It can point fingers across. One doesn't know where. It could be some internal sabotage, some external sabotage. One doesn't know where. But whatever it is, there can't be any compromise in a matter like this. It's equally serious when the matter is pending before the Apex Court, that you call up lawyers and you threaten like this. It's a different thing that the lawyers are not a community which would get cowed down by such calls from UK. But, it's a very serious matter. This needs a thorough investigation.
Yes. I also want to ask you, Mr. Nadkarni, as we are speaking, we are being told that lawyers are again getting this call. So, sir, this is not just a prank call, but a very calibrated move by organizations trying to unsettle this investigation that has to be carried out.
Yes, that's right. So therefore, our agency should also get a little supra-active and find out and trace the calls immediately. It's not very difficult.
Yes.
Today in the information technology era, they can always trace the call wherever it comes from.
Yes.
And I'm sure
I also want to...
across the nations, other nations will cooperate when it comes to a Prime Minister's security.
Yes. And that seems to be extremely crucial, Mr. Nadkarni. If we see the timing, the Supreme Court is hearing this case. As the case is being heard, many lawyers, AORs get this call. We're now being told that another call has been received by the same AORs. This is a very unsettling, bizarre development that takes place. We've not seen this before. But like you said, the nation's sovereignty needs to be seen. There needs to be a probe. We also wanted to get a sense of what and where do we proceed from here.
No, one, you should trace from where these calls have come. One doesn't know from where these calls have come. In the information technology era, these calls can be set up from anywhere. Whether it's an internal matter, external matter, whether it is actually from UK or a call diverted via there, all this will have to be found out. So our agencies will have to get active. Number two, Rhythm, be rest assured, neither lawyers nor Supreme Court will get cowed down by this kind of threatening calls. These are acts of cowherd, They don't know the might of India. Whether it is Apex Court, whether it is the country, our army, we are all a solid nation. And when it comes to these things, all of us will get united to fight such forces.
Yes. You've struck the right chord here, sir, because as you're stating this, the clear message that is coming from them is this is a bizarre call, but this is not creating panic. This is a call that's trying to put certain things into perspective by trying to say that we are taking responsibility for this, for the blocking and the security breach, but the way that they're trying to say that the Supreme Court should not continue with this investigation, it's not going to happen, sir, and it's never happened that the judiciary can be given and given out such calls from such pranksters.
Not at all. Judiciary won't be bothered about this kind of prank calls. Our judges are well-trained minds. They are well-trained minds. They know what is right and what is wrong. They'll simply ignore
All
such
right,
calls.
I am
But
just-
of course,
I am going
as
to
a
be-
citizen of India, I would like this matter to be investigated in detail, because this is a bizarre thing which has never happened before. If it's happening now, it needs to be taken to the root of the matter.